Hello guys, let me know in the comment section. Hello guys, let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. Just getting some stuff here ready. I already see some comments. I'll be going straight away. Wilson, AXS, I have also, yeah, I'm going to take first a look at AVAX here because I got someone in the comment section wanting me to take a look at AVAX. Okay, so I'll look at that straight away. 1 second guys, just getting some stuff here ready. And let's dive in straight into the content, guys. We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, all your different cryptos, favorite cryptocurrencies for sure. So let's take a look. Right, let's crack on, guys. First of all, hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Let's take a look at AVAX here first because I got someone in the comment section now. I can't find who it was. But yeah, AVAX, this is what we got for AVAX. It's looking pretty bullish because we retested the high here. Okay, we did fail as a first attempt. Let me just change this to my favorite color there. Right, we did retest here the high, which is round about just beneath the $60. So we did have a retest here at the $60 range, as you can see here for AVX. And yeah, basically we formed a descending wedge, guys. This is extremely bullish. You could have actually got in here at this small retracement, as you can see. There's not a huge amount of volume from this breakout, but there's enough, you know, it is more volume that we've seen here for the last few days. And so yeah, it is okay. It is more volume than what we've had. So I think AVX is very likely that it's going to retest the highs here just below the $60. Yeah, basically we're going to have another retest. It does look like very much so that we are going to have that major leg up. So yeah, and this could actually absolutely smash the all-time highs. I'm not sure if it's all-time highs here for AVX. I guess it is. $60, because this might be a huge pull. We into this pennant, and then we're going to absolutely smash the all-time highs, going to $70, $80 potentially in the next coming weeks. It is looking pretty bullish. This is what I got for AVAX. The $40. We did talk about this on other live streams that should be holding very, very nicely. It is absolutely huge resistance. And yeah, we've just been bouncing our support here nicely, creating this descending wedge. The volume is up from this uptrend, guys. So it was, I mean, the probabilities here, you know, it's 70% of probabilities to come and retest the just below $60. Right, hello Mark Dutch, how are you doing? Glad to see you here, one of the first ones here in the live stream. How are you doing? Dump it? Yeah, I'm probably not. I don't think so. Maybe not just yet. Maybe more like a pump it. It is decision time for Bitcoin, really. We've been saying decision time since we were climbing up all the way up here. But yeah, I think we could have a chance in breaking the $51,000, guys. Weekends for the last couple of months, the weekends have been pretty bullish for Bitcoin. You're right. How are you doing? AXS Moon. Let's take a look at AXS because yeah, AXS eventually I think we'll be doing also very good. Wow, yeah, AXS is doing absolutely incredible. This is what I had for AXS on the chart, okay? I haven't touched anything here. And we did have this pull to see as a pull from a bull flag, okay? So this was the pull. We had a bull flag right over there. We did break out, but it's taken so long to come and meet the target. And yeah, this is what I had here on the chart from the breakout. This has exactly met the target, as you can see. And it's just got a rejection at the target here from the pole, as you can see. You know, this is a huge consolidation, and then the leg up starts from this point, right? It starts from there. This is why I had this pole there. And yeah, we just basically just stopped there. The there's not a huge amount of volume, so maybe AXS is going to have a retracement from this point. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I would be cautious here on longing. The time for longing AXS was right over here. We just perfectly retested the resistance of this flag as support. So you could have just, you know, it did take about 10 days or 12 days to meet to the target, but you could have left this trade open until you met the target, guys. Right. What's up? How are you, Andy? I'm very well, Wilson. How are you doing? Hi, brother. God bless you. Thank you, bro. Together. Death Killer, we can hear you. Thank you, guys. Loud and clear. Vet US dollar thoughts. Crypto boy. Let's take a look at this. Vet US dollar. VeChain will absolutely explode. I'm not sure when it's going to happen, but yeah, basically we at the resistance point. This is a huge, I mean, there are two scenarios here that I see for VeChain, and they are both bullish. Okay, one of them is this potential huge double bottom scenario right over there. We've just gone sideways here a little bit before we start breaking to the upside. We should be meeting the 20-cent level in a matter of weeks from now. It might be days, but I would say weeks to be conservative. And then we have kind of the cup and handle formation right over here. This is a very this is usually a continuation pattern if it's bullish. Okay, well, it is a bullish pattern, but you usually want to see the cup and handle at the very top of a kind of a trend. Okay, you don't usually see it at the bottom, but it is still valid. Okay, so we have the cup right over there. We do have a kind of a handle here and this kind of descending wedge. And yeah, we finally broke out. We're just retesting a critical resistance point, which is the 15 cents. Okay, we are currently just around that range. I wouldn't be too bullish just yet. This could easily roll over from this point. We want to see a nice breakout with some volume, guys. But yeah, I think probabilities are that it is more likely to hit the 20-cent level. The measured move target is from the bottom bit to the resistance. So we should be hitting the 22 cent level in a matter of weeks, I think. You know, it might be a little bit volatile, a little bit choppy, but we should be climbing up to that range for VeChain. Ricardo, hello. Crypto Pump It, breakout, up, and away. It says Crypto Pump It. Yes, I hope so. Death Killer, ETC and OMG, Andy, finally the god of TA has arrived, says Death Killer. Yes. No, definitely not the god of TA. My TA is very, very basic, very simple, but it is profitable, the way that I just analyze the market. So yeah, thank you for that anyway. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at this ETC. Right, ETC, same thing for ETC. We did have this descending wedge. I think $80 ETC is inevitable at this point. We'll be retesting the top here of this descending wedge, okay? And yeah, I think we'll be having a wick to the upside, retesting this major resistance point, the $80. It has been a critical support level and resistance, as you can see. So we'll be reaching, I think, in my opinion, the top of the wedge, and as soon as we hit the wedge, there might be a wick or two or a consolidation here where we have this massive resistance at $80. It is very, very likely. We held beautifully here the $60. If you're an old subscriber, you know I was saying, guys, ETC $60 is ultimate bottom before we reach the $80 range, and it looks pretty good so far. $60 has been holding very, very nicely here. We just wicked below at $58, just below $59 actually, and finally creating this descending wedge. Extremely bullish. I think, yeah, we're going to see ETC pumping, I guess, in the next coming days. Very, very likely. OMG, let's take a look at OMG also here for Death Killer. What's going on with OMG? Right, let me take a look here. OMG on Binance. I must have something here. I don't have any support or resistance, but it is pretty clear. Right, so we do have a clear kind of resistance point there, a bit of support. So this is a range that we need to pay attention at. So if I just get one of my boxes there, do something like this, we can clearly see that this range, which is the 7.80 cents, has been a resistance point there. It's also been a resistance here. We broke out. We didn't manage to hold it as support. We did have a volatility movement here to the downside. Now, as soon as we had the May sell-off right over there, we came straight to the point to retest it. So it is a major level. I do see this kind of an Adam and Eve pattern, okay, because we do have the floor right over here. There is a floor point, which is at the $3 range, okay, as you can see. And we do have a huge spike there in price action, retesting the $7.80 and a huge round accumulation zone, round formation. This is an extremely bullish pattern. I think, yeah, this one, most likely scenario would be breaking to the upside, OMG. But till then, we could perfectly maybe create a descending wedge like other ones have created. We could come to lower levels. I think it's very unlikely to come and retest the $3 again. I think we'll be attempting $7.80, just below the $8. As soon as we break $8, it's going to be extremely bullish. I do see this reaching. The measured move is like that, and I do see it reaching about $12. We'll be having a stop here, I think, at this resistance point. So that is the most likely scenario, guys. Death killer. This is what I got for OMG. This is a very, very bullish setup. It's more probable to break it here at some point after this huge round accumulation zone for months, then coming back down. That is the most likely. Okay, so I'm going to leave this here and let's check out what will happen. Okay, there will be a stop at this box in my opinion. Let's see what happens in the next coming weeks. I'll be leaving this for the next live stream. Right, hey Andy, what's up? Says Sagar, hello, how are you doing? Crypto boy Vet, yeah, I'm taking a look at Vet already. Yo, Victor, bueno, Andy, hello. Rawad, hello. Alex, hi Andy, thoughts on R-Wave at the moment? Yeah, let's take a look at that. No thoughts, but we could take a look at this crypto. What is the ticker symbol? AR. I think there's not much data on this cryptocurrency. Yeah, we haven't got too much data on this. Maybe on Bittrex. Yeah, on Bittrex. Very, very volatile though. This was the analysis that we had. I can't remember looking at this crypto lately. But basically, you can clearly see there was a major resistance zone here at the $32. We smashed that. Came and retested the high here, got a rejection. We broke it here perfectly. We have a massive wick here on the 4-hourly chart, so look, this might be an exchange issue. Let me just check here on a Binance, because on Binance we don't have that massive wick. So let's continue the analysis on Binance. But basically, this should be holding very nicely as support. We did have, this peak over there. We do have some really decent volume here on this move to the upside. Let's go back to the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, we have a great amount of volume here to the upside. Now we are seeing a kind of descending pattern here, wedge, okay, or a pennant. I would speculate that this is a kind of a wedge formation, and yeah, I think if we do break the resistance here nicely, we'll be meeting the $70 again here for this cryptocurrency. And you could also see this as a pennant. There's a little bit of red volume here, which is something to pay attention to, but not as high as the volume from the breakout. So yeah, I think this volume is not too relative. I think this could also be a pull into the pennant. Okay, so this would be also a measured move. You can clearly see there's a consolidation here on the 4-hourly. We have a massive leg up, okay, with this amount of volume. So this is very possible the potential move. Okay, we have a first target where if we break resistance, which is the $70, just below $70, I would be taking most of my profits if I did trade this, because I'm not pretty sure this is the first target from a descending wedge or a potential pennant here from this pole. So I would take 50% on my investment here, because I do not know exactly if we are going to do a double top. So I would, place a trade here on the breakout of the resistance. After we hit this high, I would place my stop loss again back up here, because there is a possibility that this target will be met, which is around about the $85, because of the pole here. That would be the projection. So as soon as we hit this top, I would be taking profits and protecting my position just in case we do roll over and create a double top pattern. So first target will be here. Right, let's go. Big Cajones says hi. Oh, hello. Jita, are you bullish on sushi? Yeah, very much so. I think sushi and Uniswap have just had a little bit of a retracement here. It's doing absolutely fine. It's doing really good. We almost met the target here on sushi from this breakout of the pennant. We need to break this high. As soon as we break the high here for sushi, it's going to be looking incredible. This is round about the $14.50, $15. As soon as sushi breaks $15, I think that we're going to have a super major leg up to the $20 range. Okay, this is all. I did see this also as a huge double bottom scenario, and I do believe so that the projected move breaking the $15 is coming all the way to $20. So look for long positions. If you ask me, I will be looking for long positions as soon as we break this range. There's been a heavy support also. As soon as we break $15 nicely, any type of retracement, any type of consolidation, I'm looking to enter some trades here on sushi, because $20 is very, very likely to hit. Okay, you could anticipate here some swings if you wish, but yeah, I want to see a confirmation breakout. I think the most bearish case scenario here would be coming back down to retest the $10 range, which is very unlikely in my opinion. I think we'll be hitting, the potential resistance also of this wedge. But yeah, I think, yeah, if we do break $15, I see sushi trading at $20 in a matter of weeks. As soon as we break $15, it might be a day or two. I think there's going to be a major leg up to $20, guys. Remember, you can trade sushi on Bybit, and you know the deal. Down below, you got the best bonus available always, okay, for Bybit and for Phemex. Phemex has got a great bonus. You can trade sushi here on Bybit. I still got some trades open on BTC. I did play some trades on Theta and XLM, guys. Stellar Lumens is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at Stellar Lumens here just for 1 second, because it's looking pretty bullish. We do have this descending wedge, and I don't see any major resistance from Stellar Lumens. Just a little bit of volatility, maybe a little bit of resistance here at the 44 cents. I do see Stellar Lumens having a major leg up to the 46, 47 resistance. Okay, it is a clear resistance point right over there, guys. I want to show you this because I have placed a trade here from this descending wedge breakout. Okay, Stellar Lumens looking pretty bullish. I see it trading in a matter of a week or two, maybe a few days, round about the 45, 47 cents. I can see also this from this consolidation, a potential leg up and a huge pennant, and this would be the projected move from this consolidation phase, the leg up into the pennant, and then we'll have a leg up, I think, to the 45, 46 cents level. This is the projection I see for Stellar Lumens. That's why I did place a trade on Bybit, guys. I have a trade here, a small trade. It's about $260 in a profit right now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that, guys. This is what I'm expecting for Stellar Lumens. Stop loss here be around about the 32 cent level, behind the support of this descending wedge from the breakout, and I'm looking for that projected move here for Stellar Lumens. It is a little bit dangerous at this moment because We do not know if Bitcoin is at a critical moment. If Bitcoin doesn't manage to break $51,000 very nicely, we're going to have a massive correction here, in my opinion. I think a rollover to potentially $45,000 or $40,000 is very, very possible. As soon as we retest a couple of times $51,000, guys, and we do not break it, expect a 10 or even a 20% dump on Bitcoin, okay? Well, we'll have that major sell-off. Bears are going to start stepping in if the bulls don't have any power to break the $51,000, and this will have an impact on the altcoins for sure. So just to be very, very cautious now with long positions. Be ready, be protected, don't risk too much, because we are at a critical moment. If Bitcoin does manage to break $51,000, going to the $53,000, $54,000, it's going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. We're going to see Stellar Lumens finally, retesting 47 cents. Theta also. Theta, I'm extremely bullish on Theta. We have a massive descending wedge here since April all the way to August. This is just boiling up here because I see some very volatile moves to the upside potentially for Theta Network. Hi Andy, how do you use Fibonacci on AXS? Is it from 83 to 67 or 83 to 63? Thanks. Let's take a look at this, because Fibonacci retracement can be used in many ways. It can be used in many ways. You're saying here 83 to 67, so 83.6 to 67, right? Okay, are you saying from this potential drop? So Fibonacci from 83.6 to 67.4. Okay, I guess from this high you're talking about down to this low, maybe. Yeah, but yeah, you could also use it like this. If the trend is up, I am looking to use Fibonacci's, obviously with the pumps and looking for the retracement, but you can clearly see here from this top, you can use it this way. This is on the 4 hourly, from the top here down to the bottom bit, okay? We did get some rejection at the golden pocket and also the 78% levels, and we almost came all the back down here to retest the bottom bit. But when you're in an uptrend, yeah, don't, I guess you're using this to short or to look at the first targets, from this drop, or depending on how you want to use the Fibonacci. The most simple way, I mean, for beginners also, is using the Fibonacci on the pumps, right? So if I see this pump from here, this is a clear consolidation, this is a leg up all the way up here, and then this is a retracement. So you want to check out the Fibonacci retracement, and you potentially want to enter trades in between 38% level and golden pocket, as you can see right over here. In this case, we just touched the 38% levels. These are levels where you will be getting some type of rejection. In this case, it is the 38% level right over there. So 38, 50, and 62 golden pocket is usually a buying. Okay, if the trend is up and it's pretty strong, you go from the lower part of the consolidation all the way to the top of the pump. Once you start retracing in between 38 and 62% is a buying zone to come back up and retest the high of that Fibonacci retracement of the impulse. So in this case, you would have entered here. I probably would have entered. I usually wait for 50 or golden pockets, 50% at least. I usually enter. I don't enter at 38 because the potential gains against the loss is very high. Stop loss usually behind 78%. So the closer you come to the 62% levels, the better, because you are risking less. Okay. Because if you enter at 38%, your stop loss is pretty large and you're risking 1-to-1 basically here. This is how I use Fibonacci retracement. WRX please, says Abdallah. Right, okay, WRX, let's take a look at this one straight away. WRX. Oh, wait, hang on a second. Right, now. Okay, what have we got here for WRX? Right, we did see an inverse head and shoulder here for WRX. I can't remember the last time we saw this crypto, but we did have a clear resistance point at $1.30. We had support there, support here, we had resistance. Okay, resistance, resistance, resistance. We did touch it a few times, and what I saw here is an inverse head and shoulder. There was an inverse head and shoulder right over there. You have the left shoulder, you have the head, right? Touching there, touching here, touching here. You have the right shoulder, touched there. We broke out nicely. Look how we came all the way back down and bounced here also. This was an absolutely great trade. And the measured move is the head, okay, to the support range. Guys, this met the target perfectly, exactly at the target, as you can see. Absolutely insane. So yeah, that was that anyway, so we can get that out of the way. What can we potentially see now for AXS? A very volatile crypto, I gotta say. I don't like these cryptos for trading because the volatility is absolutely mad. This can liquidate you in just a blink of an eye. But this crypto is looking pretty bullish, only because the structure, the formation, with lower lows is starting to make higher lows over here. There is a major resistance zone which is around about the $1.90. Okay, we do have several consolidation phases there. As resistance, one here has support there. As soon as we broke down here, we retested it as resistance, had a little bit of volatility here, wasn't a clear breakout, came straight back down. So I think if we do break the $1.90 very nicely with volume, it is going to be an extreme support area. If we do come back down and retest it, I think a major long position is a good moment to place a long. If we do come back down to the $1.90, we want to see a nice clear breakout with volume. This is indicating me that this is very likely to happen to WRX. This is a nice round bottoming out formation ready to start popping. I follow, guys, I'm going super slow in the comment section. Sorry about that. I follow quite some time. Could you also explain what to with the upcoming bear market, how to move forward? Armand, I don't think a bear market is gonna happen anytime soon. I think we're going to see a lot of movement to the upside. We will be breaking, in my opinion, all-time highs. I don't know when it's going to happen, if it's going to be late September, if it's going to be October. We might see a severe drop first. I think $40,000 levels is going to be heavily defended by the bulls and then climb up. I think bear markets are going to be different this time because cryptocurrency is very, very trending, and it will be trending in the next coming years. The adoption is absolutely growing at the fastest rate that we've ever seen adoption grow, you know, much faster than the internet. For altcoins, there will be a lot of altcoins that will have 90% correction, don't get me wrong here, and 95. But for Bitcoin, Ethereum, we might not see again those 80% corrections. It might be 60% correction in the bear market. So if we do reach $150,000 Bitcoin at the peak, maybe we'll have a 60% correction. So maybe we'll be dropping to $60,000. Okay, so this is what I think. We're not going to come down to the $30,000. It all depends, guys. Gosh. I will be continuing with my videos, so make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll give you my opinion on what we can expect in the bear market. Armand, so yeah, it's but I don't think they're going to be having, we'll be having those 95% correction for Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. A lot of altcoins will, I say 90%, at least 90% of altcoins will be having 90% correction, at least. How about Polkadot? Polkadot, let's take a look at Polkadot because DOT was looking pretty bullish. I think Polkadot failed in, oh no, it didn't. Oh no, it didn't. Polkadot's looking great. Yeah, Polkadot will be hitting $40 very, very soon, in my opinion. We did see here a major resistance zone for Polkadot, which was the $28-30 range. And I did say, guys, as soon as we break $30, it is full bull mode for Polkadot. Now, I do not know if we are going to have that major retracement. If we do, to the $28 levels, it is going to be an extreme buy zone, okay? We do have a huge candlestick here with a huge amount of volume, just topping here at the $30 range, $31, which has already been managed to hold here very, very nicely as support. Look at this, guys. We have this amount of volume. We have these candles, okay, with some pretty decent volume. Look how we've retraced. Hang on a second. Look how we've retraced here very, very nicely and retested this blue support resistance zone that I had. The reason I had this blue resistance zone, if I zoom out, is because of the May sell-off. We came and retested it a few times there. So I put a blue horizontal line because I knew this range is going to be some type of resistance or support. And as you can see, we did break it here very, very nicely, and we did hit. We perfectly hit it here. So this would have been a great buy zone, retesting the top here of this major resistance with this huge amount of volume. Now, what is happening to Polkadot right now? It is not looking too good, if you ask me, because yeah, this is why I say, guys, when you place a trade on a retracement here, so we've had a breakout, you retrace a little bit, you break out here this zone. When you retrace, you want to get in here. Once you come back up and retest the breakout is when you want to get out. You want to get out here because you do not know how far away we can go. You do not know if we're going to break the retest here. So this is why this is not looking too good at this moment. We're having a long consolidation here at the retest, as you can see. Now, this might end up at a double top pattern. And yeah, if we do break down below the $30, it's not going to be looking too good in the immediate short term. I do think that the $28 is not impossible, but it's going to be very, very hard to break here as support. As you can see, we do have a major support level in the past. We've bounced so many times at the $28, okay, 28, 27. This is there's a little bit of volatility, but look how we perfectly retested it as resistance. We also had a test right over there. So if Polkadot did come down to the $28, I myself I'm going to place a swing trade, okay, with quite a bit of capital. I might put a couple of thousand here USDT on a swing trade. I'm pretty confident because there is a barrier at the $28 range that should be holding super, super well here for Polkadot. And I do see Polkadot hitting all-time highs in the next coming weeks, okay? Maybe a month or two, maybe entering November. But yeah, this is definitely worth it for a swing trade if we did have that correction, okay, down to the $28. But I think $30 range, it should be holding very nicely. It's still relatively soon to say. And now we might be forming, if we do have a drop here, a kind of a descending wedge or something, that would be extremely bullish. We need a little bit of more price action. It has been pumping like crazy, and it does look like that the price action is getting a little bit exhausted. Now, the bullish case scenario here for Polkadot, let me just zoom in here quickly on the 4-hourly chart. Most bullish case scenario, I don't see major resistance on top of us, just a lot of volatility. Just a lot of volatility. So I think if we did manage to break this high, we do have some type of volume there, not a huge amount. There is some volume. This is on the Binance chart. Yeah, if we did manage to have a nice breakout with volume, if we retrace, I think we should be holding nice this major support, this resistance. We have 2 points of touch. The more times you touch it, even better. That means that it is a significant level. And if we do break it with volume, then yeah, guys. And if it does dry up with volume, then this is going to be a major buy zone, guys. We might be placing a trade right over here to retest the high from the breakout. So this is something to pay attention on Polkadot. Extremely bullish on Polkadot. Maybe we're not going to have that consolidation and retracement, and we are just going to break out from here. So pay attention to this major resistance turning into support. This is something we want to take advantage, guys. Remember, Polkadot can be traded on Bybit, and it can also be traded on Phemex. Phemex has got the best bonus available at this moment, and there's only 1 day left to get this bonus up to $2,500 by using my link in the description, okay? But it's usually $2,000, but with my link it's $2,500, or depending on what you deposit, okay? You do have to deposit quite a bit to get that bonus eventually. But if you deposit 0.1 BTC, you're getting a $100 bonus. You'll be getting a little bit more with my link in the description. But yeah, all depending on what you deposit. There's only 1 day left to claim this bonus on Phemex. So yeah, guys, let's take a look at here different comments. How is Polygon, says BG? Let's take a look. Matic. It's looking pretty bullish. Let's take a look here, see what's going on. Yeah, for Matic, what happened here for Matic is we did break down, but I think, yeah, what we did talk about here about Matic is Matic having this trend line with this support, right? We have bounces on this trend line to the upside. What happened? We broke the trend line, but how did we break it? With absolutely no volume at all. Check out this price action here and the volume, guys. There's no volume at all. They're all green candles here on the sides, right? And as soon as we broke down this trend line, I was saying, yeah, it doesn't mean that this is bearish. It means that this is potentially just a little bit of price action to the downside. There's no volume, there's no power from the bears to push the price down. So what did we see hours after that? This is on the 4-hourly chart. We saw starting to see some nice green candles here, right? Some nice volume. What happened? We were retesting here this major support into resistance there. We got a small rejection, but yeah, I wouldn't be shorting this because there was no volume from this breakout. We are starting to create lower highs. We were creating higher lows, and you're starting to break the higher lows, creating a new low there, as you can see. But there was no volume. I was saying, guys, be careful with this, because this doesn't mean that we are going to continue down exactly, especially if we do not have any volume. We retested the resistance. What happened? Suddenly we've had a major breakout with volume. We're back into the trend. We're back above this resistance zone, which is the $1.55, and it is looking extremely bullish, guys. I think Matic will be breaking $1.70, which is the next major resistance zone. We've retested it here 3 times. Now we are going to retest it at the 4th time, okay? So I do see this one breaking, okay, the $1.70 in a matter of a few days potentially. Now, you might ask me, because you know I'm a strong supporter of the breakout of support and resistance areas, and you might see this right over here breakout, and you said we broke out this support and we didn't manage to hold it as, we broke out the resistance there and didn't manage to hold it here as support, but we did, because if we go to the 1 hourly, you can clearly see on the 1 hourly, as soon as we broke out from this major resistance zone right over there, we broke out here nicely with some volume, right, on Matic. Where did we come back down and retest? The support right over there. This is one of my strategies that I explained in one of my videos, right? What happened? We got a nice bounce. Where did we come back up? We came back up and retested the high here. What happened? We came back down. So if you trade their long position here and you do not take profits there, guys, you need to be quick. You need to react to the markets, because maybe a lot of people thinking, okay, we're breaking a major resistance with some nice volume. I'm placing a long position. I have my stop loss here behind the support range, and I'm just going to ride it to the upside. No. This look how we failed here after the first bounce. So you want to get into the first bounce, okay, and get into trade there, guys. If you haven't checked out my latest video, I posted it yesterday, how I make up to $100 day trading in the cryptocurrency space. You have the most of my strategies there. I've just got a couple of more strategies. I'll be making another video on some other strategies. Make sure to check that video out, guys. You can learn a lot. It is super simple. Price action, volume, and a couple of patterns, and how to enter, how to risk your management. Check it out, guys. Give that video a huge amount of likes. Very much appreciated. Check it out, guys. It's the last video I made. Hi Andy, BCD, what do you think? IC cup and handle, do you think it will pump hard? Thanks. Let's take a look at this cryptocurrency here for Guitar APX. I've checked VET also already. Guys, I'm losing my voice. Let's take a look. BCD US dollar here. I have no idea what this cryptocurrency is. Let me just check it out here on CoinGecko. Bitcoin Diamond. Let's see what happens here for Bitcoin Diamond. Is it been bullish lately? I've never checked this cryptocurrency. Well, this chart doesn't look very good. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this Bitcoin Diamond. It looks very much so like a pump and dumpy. This basically we want to try and stay away on this. The only Bitcoin fork that I am bullish on is Bitcoin Cash, because it's a legit cryptocurrency. It's a fork of Bitcoin. It is much faster than Bitcoin, and it's much cheaper. It's only a fraction of a cent, or just 1 or 2 cents to send Bitcoin Cash to other wallets, and it's extremely safe as well. But this one, basically Bitcoin Diamond, we had a massive pump here, okay, and basically we came all the way back down from the pump. And this is why I want to stay away from these cryptocurrencies. You know, I use a lot price action and volume, and these strange cryptos, check out the amount of volume that we have here on this pump, okay. What this does mean that this should be having a consolidation, maybe maximum to the 62% golden pocket or 78%, and then continue to the upside, right? Especially if we have volume here going down. But this is why these are pump and dumps. I think they have a lot of manipulation. If I take the Fibonacci from the pump here, yeah, we basically came all the way back down. This is, an inverted V. I want to stay away from cryptocurrencies that make this type of price action. I usually trade the top 50 cryptos, but yeah, Bitcoin Cash is, I think, 55. No, I think, yeah, I just 155. I stay away from these Bitcoin forks, really. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, long time I haven't seen that crypto. I don't know where it is. I don't even know where it is here on CoinGecko. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, it was once around, I think it was at the top 10. It was ranked at 10 or 11 at some point, and it's got dropped down to 50. The only one I'm bullish on is Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, no thoughts, no analysis on this. This is looking very, very dodgy. Yeah, I'm not sure if this will have, the structure here looks like it's kind of bottoming out, but after seeing this, I would stay away. I would stay away from this, at least trading it. I'm not sure if, I have no idea on the project. So yeah, I'm just staying away. I'm not doing any analysis on this, because especially after seeing this massive pump with this volume and coming straight back down to the pump point. No analysis on this. VeChain has been checked out. Evangelos, hi Andy, could you please say something about Wild World? Let's take a look at this one. Is this NFT? Wild World. It's 344. I have no idea what this crypto is. Is it a gaming NFT? Cryptocurrency Wild World is an immersive 3D universe powered entirely by NFTs. So yeah, I guess so. I'm not going to do a project review. Mainly I'm doing technical analysis. So let's just take a look at the chart from it. Why not? Let's just take a look at the chart. But I have no data. There's no data here for this NFT crypto. It might be pretty bullish. Do your research. I mean, check out the website, go onto the Telegram, check out the team, do your research basically on this cryptocurrency. What I do to research, guys, is I, go on CoinGecko, I go to the website, scroll down. If they have Telegram, I'll go to Telegram, ask questions, go on to their Twitter account, see the engagement that there is with other cryptocurrencies, and this is what I only see on the website. So yeah, there's nothing. The website is this. I want to speak to people. I want to check out the team, the Telegram, the Twitter account. I'm not too sure about this. Hey Andy, great. Are you updating us again? Greetings from sunny Holland. Majin, yes, thank you very much for joining the chat and the live stream. Can you look at Circus and VRA? Right, let's take Cyrus. Let's take a look at Cyrus, not Circus. Cyrus, US dollar here. Right, I haven't got too much data, but this is not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. Yeah, I'm not sure if this would be a descending wedge or a descending triangle. Actually, it doesn't look like more of a kind of a descending wedge formation potentially. This needs to make a move very, very soon. A lot of small candles getting hugely tightened here with no volume. This is looking for explosive move. It is probably to the upside. No chart here, no data here on TradingView. Let's just quick take a look, guys. I don't want to do project reviews. I do not see any market capitalization here on CoinGecko. That's a little bit fishy, but it's a relatively new project. So yeah, I'm not doing a project review. Cyrus is a simple yet powerful platform that turns your data into cryptocurrency. Well, it might be pretty decent. Best thing you could do, go to the website, Telegram, check out the project, but no opinion on this one. Vet, yes, I've taken a look at Vet already. Hello, would you call this morning star on 1 hour? Is that how this works? Love your work, Andy, says Joshy Boy. Let's take a look. Is that for BTC? You need to give me a little bit of more information about this morning star on the 1 hourly. I guess it's BTC you are talking about. Yeah, right over there. It's a doji kind of. I mean, this is a critical moment for Bitcoin. It either pumps or it either dumps eventually. No, there's only two ways, but it is a critical resistance point, the $51,000 range. We are also, if we do follow, guys, let me just show you here quickly. Sorry guys, I'm hardly reading the comments today, but I want to show you this fractal that we absolutely nailed it. If you're not a subscriber, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. I do daily TA. I'll give you my opinion, my way of looking at the markets. We talked about this fractal, remember, a few days back. This was almost a week ago, and we absolutely nailed it. We are doing exactly the same thing. We're doing exactly the same thing. We have, this kind of ascending channel here. We created a descending one, broke up, down, and back to retest the support as resistance. We've done this, but in a smaller version, as you can say. I've still got my long position since 47,500, approximately 47,700. I still have my position here open. I took 50% profits here on my trade. As you can see, I entered at $47,739. Because I was pretty confident we were going to have that major bounce and come and retest the support of of this channel into resistance at some point. So I've got my position protected. I do believe so. We might have a leg up, the $51,000, potentially hitting 52,000. I mean, this is just gut feelings. I have taken profits. My position is protected. I got my stop loss at $48,000, so I'll be getting a small profit. I'm protected. I'm just trying to ride this for another leg up potentially before we might see a major correction. So yeah. I see AXS bull pennant just now, then it breaks. Let's take a look at AXS. Yeah, AXS was looking pretty good. It wasn't looking too bad. Yeah, this might be a pennant potentially. We still need to, let the price consolidate. We need a little bit more price action. It would be nice. It would be nice to have a consolidation, come back down 62% levels, maybe a Fibonacci retracement. Then that might be a good entry point. Okay, I would wait at least potentially to the $85-$80 range for a potential long position. But the bad thing about this, guys, oh yeah, there's no bad thing. I thought it was making a double top. So yeah, this is looking pretty good. It's not looking too bad. I would get a box area here from this top and this wick over there. I think this might be a major buy zone for AXS. This box area, this is in between the $79 and the $83 range. And it is exactly more or less round about the 50-62% golden pocket. I think that would be a major buy zone for AXS. CHZ Revive. Is that Chili's, right? Let's zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart. Yes, it does look like very much so that this crypto is looking pretty good. Chili's, yeah, I think Chili's is going to do extremely well. It's a really good project. They are going to take over the sports industry, tokenizing the different sport teams worldwide in different teams, different sports. So I think, yeah, Chili's, I think it will be hitting all-time high in maybe months. I'm not sure when, but I think we will have that leg up pretty soon, in my opinion. Now, if I zoom in here on the chart, we did break a critical resistance point. Chile hasn't finished its run yet. We have a critical support range turning into resistance right over here, as you can see on the chart. And we have a double bottom pattern right over there. We have a bottom right over here. Guys, check out, there's a lot of noise if you do not read the charts properly, because you can say, how can this be a double bottom? There's too many candles. I cannot read this. You can also zoom out on the daily, for example. And on the daily, you can see it's a little bit more clear here, right? You do see more of coming back down, retesting this zone, climbing up. So that is a bottom structure right there. Then we have this other bottom. We did touch the bottom right over there, and then consolidating round, and finally a lot of volatility and breaking out. So the measured move from this double bottom is getting the support range to the resistance. And from the breakout, guys, we haven't met the target just yet. So any type but I mean, the breakout wasn't clear. I gotta say, this breakout was a little bit dodgy. No volume, a lot of consolidation. It was a little bit of a risky one, but I think it will be holding very nicely, and we will be finally hitting above the 50 cents for Chili's at some point. This is a clear double bottom for me. Choppy action, we're just gonna have that leg up at some point. Theta network, yeah, I've taken a look at Theta. I'm extremely bullish on Theta. Matter of fact, I've got a long position here. I want to do a swing trade on Theta. I've got a swing position here on Theta. I entered at $7.10. I'm pretty confident it is a little bit of an aggressive one. Okay, I entered at $7.10. I think Theta won't be dropping below the $6. I think we're just going to go consolidate. I have a tight stop loss. I'm willing to take that loss. I think Theta is just having a huge consolidation before we start having some major legs up for Theta. I see this potential price action in the coming weeks for Theta. I mean, we have broken out of this huge descending wedge formation. I think, yeah, it's very, very likely that Theta will be pumping in the coming weeks. And I'm super bullish on this project. So yeah, this is what I got for Theta. Looking at the macro, this Theta will be doing extremely well in my opinion. Could we have that potential drop below the $6 before we start pumping? Yes, we can, guys. I am willing to take that risk. You know, it is a swing trade. I might be putting some more orders in my position if we do drop. I mean, this is such an incredible bullish setup. If we potentially drop, I might be dollar cost averaging. That's why I have a very small position, because if we do have that major drop, I will be adding to my position. It's currently only basically just beneath $800. I might be adding another $800 and then another $800 if we do scale down, okay, potentially for theta, if we do come down and retest the $6. But it's looking pretty bullish theta. Most of the cryptos are looking pretty bullish actually. AXS symmetrical triangle, do you see $120 from measuring their target, says Slash. Let's take a look at AXS here straight away. Symmetrical triangle on AXS, but what time frame? What time frame? AXS has gone absolutely insane here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where you see the symmetrical triangle. AXS. Was this one potentially there? Unless you see this as a pennant, a pole, and then breakout. Yeah, maybe, but no, yeah. I don't see it just yet at $120. No, I can't see the symmetrical triangle. Hey Andy, can you look at Chili's? Yes, I've taken a look at that one already. Sol, please, says Alice. Yes, let's take a look at Sol. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm lagging so much behind the comment section. It is absolutely insane. But I want to try and read most of you. I'll be scrolling down. If I've checked out that crypto, I'm going to say, guys, I've checked it out before. Scroll back in the live stream because it's not fair on the rest of the people. Right, Solana, let's take a look at Solana. What's going on with Solana? Yes, I mean, no opinion on Solana. We basically price discovery on Solana. I'm pretty surprised here on Binance. We did see some volume to the downside, and then we started pumping again. I think the back here of this major red candle here is gonna be a strong support range, but it's been pumping like crazy, guys. This is very, very dangerous now to start longing, okay? If we start breaking some major structures, be careful. We do have massive bearish divergence on the 4-hourly chart. You know, we are creating lower highs. The price action is creating high highs. Yeah, I would stay very, very cautious with this one, with Solana. I mean, it is a great project, don't get me wrong, but after this run up, guys, yeah, nothing goes up like that for a long time. I don't see Solana going to $200 from here without a major severe correction. So any type of strong correction might be good for Solana to enter some trades. But yeah, it's price discovery at this moment, guys. So who knows? We might pump from there. I think if you could risk a potential trade if we come all the way back down and retest the support range. But after pumping so long, I wouldn't be risking this on Solana. Potential support, potential trade. You could risk a trade here with a tight stop loss for a bounce. But yeah, it's a little bit overextended now, Solana. Hi Andy, can you take a look again at Digibyte? Let's take a look at Digibyte. I do have some Digibyte in my portfolio. And it's not been an absolutely insane performer, but I think it's a great project. It is super fast. It is much secure. That technology is securer than Bitcoin. I'm not going to go through the project, but that's why I did buy. But yeah, it's had a massive hit. But I think Digibyte will be recovering very, very soon. This is a beautiful, nice round consolidation. I do see this also like a cup and handle. So yeah, if we do break the resistance here at just below the 8 cents level, as soon as we break the 8 cents, guys, it's going to be extremely bullish for Digibyte. I do see Digibyte, you know, absolutely flying after breaking this major resistance. This is the 8 cent level. We've retested it so many times as a resistance that yeah, basically, I think Digibyte is gonna go back to the all-time highs as soon as we break 8 cents. Now, we did form this kind of descending wedge formation. We came all the way here to the target and came straight back down, as you can see here on the 4-hourly chart. So that was a pretty quick move. But yeah, that's what I got for Digibyte. I think Digibyte slowly and consistently is going to climb up to the 8 cents, finally break it at some point in the next coming weeks. This is my take on Digibyte. This huge round consolidation. This is an extremely bullish setup. Okay, we have, you know, lower lows, round bottom, and then higher lows right over here, getting ready to change the trend. Do you do your all of your main TA on the 4-hourly chart? Says Crypto Pump It. Yeah, I think a lot of my TA is on the 240 minutes, which is the 4-hourly chart. I do like it very much. 4-hourly chart is a pretty decent time frame to check out short and long term. So you can check out. I like the 4-hourly chart because I can check the same day or the last few days, and also I can check the last few months. And then eventually, you know, if I want to zoom out a little bit more, I go to the daily, and if I want to, you know, zoom in a little bit for my day trades, I check out the 1-hourly chart. I usually move myself in between daily, 4-hourly, and 1-hourly. If I want to scalp, I'll potentially be looking at the 15-minute or the 30-minute, just like my video. For day trades, also 30-minute, 15-minute. And basically what I use these time frames because I want to get noise out of the way. If there's a lot of noise, a lot of choppiness, I'll go to a higher time frame. For example, 30-minute, there's a lot of choppiness, I'll go to the 1-hourly. Carl from the Moon in the comment section. I see AXS ascending broadening wedge as well, so many patterns on AXS side. Hi Andy, how are you, bro? Luna or Solana? Let's take a look at Luna because Solana I've checked out already. So let's take a look at Solana. Luna. Well, this was a fail. Let's zoom out here on the 4-hourly. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing for when you're at price discovery, a little bit overextended. We did see patterns here. There was a double bottom pattern right over here, and this was a fake out. We didn't see, we didn't manage to, well, it's right. Let me just get this box out of the way because this wasn't really a double bottom scenario, because I don't know why I had that there. We have this resistance zone, I say this high over here and this one over here. They're not at the exact same height. This was only a fake out from this breakout. So yeah, basically there was no double bottom here. I don't know why I had that as a double bottom pattern, because it wasn't. As you can see, you know, this high, we want to see a retest at the same level. This could be a double bottom right over there, but the resistance is not clear here. So that wasn't a legit double bottom. Now, what we can see here on the 4-hourly chart for Luna is that we do have, you know, bearish divergence on the RSI. The price action is making higher highs and the RSI is making lower highs. So yeah, be careful with this price action. As you can see, we are breaking all-time highs consistently. This is a clear distribution kind of forming on Luna. I would stay a little bit cautious because we might see some type of correction here for Luna with these massive bearish divergence. I'm just looking at the probabilities. There is a chance that we might pump from here and break the highs. But looking at the price action, you know, slightly breaking the all-time highs, yeah, this is a little bit fishy. Stay cautious with this price action to the upside, because this potentially can be a rollover scenario. So Luna, I think Luna will be having a cool off before we start pumping again. That's my take on Luna. Hey, it's the legend. Aloha from Hawaii, mates. Hello, Garrett. How are you doing? How about Polkadot, please? Yeah, I've taken a look at Polkadot already. Right. FTT, please. Yeah, let's take a look at FTT for sure now here for Al Pacino. FTT. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, okay? I do daily TI. I try and connect with the community. FTT is looking pretty bullish. This is the FTX token. Let's take a look at this crypto. Yeah, I haven't done any analysis on this, or maybe yes, on Binance. We're just about breaking the high, okay? But there's, I would wait for a little bit more price action. This is not a legit breakout in my opinion. There is volume. The volume is there. The volume is there. We might be creating a kind of a pennant here, actually. So, I mean, this could end up really, really bullish. We're just about to break the all-time high. We have done, but there's a lot of volatility. The volume right over here just ends up round about the red box, okay? After that, there is no volume at all on Binance. There's no volume at all. So we have created we are creating a kind of a pennant right over there. This might be extremely bullish because this is also a continuation pattern. This could break down or break up, but if we come in from a large pump, the probabilities of breaking up is higher, and we can see this as a potential pull, okay? A pennant and a pull, and from the breakout we could see the FTX token maybe trading around about the $85 in a matter of a couple of weeks or potentially days. Yeah, if we are consolidating at the all-time highs like this, it is very, very likely that finally we're going to have a massive pump. Now, if we do not have a clear pump here with volume, then I'll be staying very, very cautious on this one, and this could actually break down, guys. And if it does break down, the measured move is getting the width of the back here of this symmetrical triangle, and this would be the target round about the $50. So it would be a failed attempt in breaking all-time highs. This is not a clear breakout, okay? We're just about above the all-time highs, dancing around. There's no clear price action. There's no clear price action here to the upside just yet. We need a nice green candle volume to the upside from breaking the all-time highs. What do you say about Luna? Yeah, I've checked out Luna before this cryptocurrency. Enjoyed your video today about strats to make 100 per day. Thank you very much, Garrett. Yeah, I mean, it is a great, I mean, you see the strategies there. I do make the trades, so yeah, guys, it is totally transparent. Nothing to hide about that video. Yeah, baby, big hugs to you all. Big hoonies. Can you please take a look on low cap alts, Telos? Much appreciated. Yeah, let's take a look at Telos. I'll take a look at Telos straight away. What is Telos? I've taken a look at Telos before, I think. I'm not sure if the data is good here on TradingView. I'm not sure if there's much data. Let's take a look at Telos here. There's only on KuCoin. Well, it's not doing too bad. Yeah, this just broke out yesterday, I think. Well, or early this morning. Yeah, early this morning, there was a descending wedge there. Descending wedge or a descending... Yeah, descending wedge. Yeah, I think Telos is going to meet the high here at about 86 cents. It is pretty obvious this, guys. Look at this. We have a nice run up with some nice volume. We have a consolidation with no volume at all. And then we're starting to pump here with some volume. Now, if you want to wait for a retracement or potentially enter a trade here, I'm not sure where you can trade this. This is only on KuCoin. So, yeah, maybe a retracement here would be nice. I think, yeah, we'll be meeting 86 cents in the next coming days, potentially, yeah. Guys, remember, Phemex has only got 1 day left to claim this bonus, up to $2,500 worth of bonus, okay, guys, by using my link in the description. There's only 1 day left here. So, yeah, make sure to take advantage of this bonus. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is currently not doing much at $50,200. but it's getting exhausted. Okay guys, I might be taking a little bit of my profits from my trade here that I placed at $47,000. I am protected, but the price action is looking a little bit, yeah, this is a little bit like a double top, eh? Also, we see there, we see this here. We need to see some price action very, very soon for Bitcoin to the upside. If not, finally the bears are going to come in control, I think. Let's take a look at Litecoin here 1 second. How is Litecoin doing? Litecoin did have a pretty decent pump for the last couple of days, as you can see. We went from 170 all the way to 220. If we do break successfully the $220 range, I think Litecoin is going to have some massive moves to the upside. Have a clear resistance there, and I think, yeah, if we break 220 successfully, it's going to be looking really good for Litecoin. Volume on ETC. Let's take a look at ETC. Right. ETC, US dollar. Let's take a look at this cryptocurrency. Yeah, there's not a volume. There's not too much volume here on this breakout of this descending wedge on ETC. Let's see ETC on Coinbase. Yeah, there's a little bit of more volume on the Coinbase exchange, as you can see from this run up. So yeah, I think yeah, ETC I think should be meeting at least the $75, $76, which is the top of the wedge. Guys, nobody entered the Bybit competition. I got into some dodgy group here because I only had a couple of people entering. I did announce it in my channel pretty late, but I entered here. I did enter a group here. It's inevitable. I got invited to this group. I can see Call of the Moon is ranked 6, doing pretty well. The group here, I am in my ranking. I am ranked 4 out of 42 people. So I got invited because no one joined my group, guys. Not happy about that. Right, let's take a look at Bell Protocol, please. Andy, what is this cryptocurrency? Bell Protocol. Bella Protocol, Bell, 361. Let's take a look at the chart. Right, let's take a look at this crypto. Has it been pumping? It has been pumping lately. Let's zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, we're basically hitting a major resistance zone. Now, what is going to happen to this crypto if we do break the $2.90 where we're currently at? I think it's going to be looking pretty bullish for this cryptocurrency. It is a major support level right over here. We did have some consolidation here, just bouncing at the $2.90, as you can see. So if we do break this major resistance, I think, yeah, it's going to be looking pretty bullish for this cryptocurrency. OMG coin, oh my god coin. Yes, OMG, I've taken a look at OMG already. Super new Kusama Parachain Project MOV chart. Right, CoinKotic and Matic, will they set new highs? I've taken a look at Matic already. I think Matic will be potentially breaking the $1.70. I've checked it out before. WRX I've checked out all again also. Hi all, let's give Andy a big and smash that like button. Yeah guys, let's make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and get to 150 likes at least, guys. Thanks. Solana, yeah, I've taken a look at Solana already. VRA, have I taken a look at this crypto? I think not. Let's take a look at VRA. Right, let's talk and let's go straight into wow, this crypto is doing absolutely great. VRA, what is it? Veracity, right? Yeah, Veracity, it's doing pretty good. Almost meeting the all-time highs. Yeah, guys, basically, veracity, this is what we had. This is why for a lot of the cryptocurrencies, guys, I'm saying there are double bottom scenarios playing out. They are massive double bottoms. They are Adam and Eve's. Check out Adam and Eve pattern on Google or whatever you want. You will see a spike and then a round bottom like this and then breaking out. And this is what we've got right over here. We have a spike there. We have a round bottom right over there. It is playing out for a lot of the cryptocurrencies, guys, and a lot of them are just breaking out at this moment. So let me look, the measured target is from the support to the resistance zone and from the breakout, guys. This has already crushed the target, as you can see. So this is, a lot of cryptos are forming this pattern. You need to take advantage of this this situation on a lot of the altcoins. Now, we didn't reach the all-time high, so I think we'll be retesting it, I think, in the next coming days potentially. We might see a correction and then come back up. If we do have that major correction, I think this zone should be holding pretty nicely. There might be a little bit of volatility around this area, but if we do have that correction, I think so that we are potentially gonna get some type of bounce around this area to continue up. Gotta go. Bye, Crypto Pump It. Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing very well. Is KCS a buy now? Let's take a look at KCS. What is KCS? Qcoin, right? It might. I mean, I think exchange tokens are going to do very well, in my opinion. Especially, you know, the large ones such as Qcoin, Binance, eventually. FTX, they will be doing well. So yeah, I don't like charting this very much. Is it a good buy? I don't know. I mean, the trend is changing. We are going up. We are potentially going to retest the highs very soon. We just about at a major resistance now, which is around about the $14. As soon as we break the $16 range, which is this high, yeah, all-time highs will be inevitable at that moment, which is just below the $20. We're just seeing a little bit of resistance here. I think FTX, I think exchange tokens are going to be doing pretty well. Is DOT next Solana? I think Solana is the next DOT, actually. Because DOT was before then Solana, and Solana is absolutely exploding. 1 inch, please. Yes, for Andrian. Let's take a look at 1 inch. One inch should be looking pretty good as well. Let's take a look at 1 inch here on Binance. Yeah, this is, I think 1 inch will be doing very well. I do see also a double bottom scenario right over here. The second bottom is slightly lower than the first bottom. That is absolutely fine just because of the volatility. As soon as 1 inch breaks the $4 resistance range, I think we're going to see it climbing very high. Be careful because we might see a massive pump, then a massive dump, retesting this range, then having the massive pump. So there will be a lot of volatility as soon as we break $4, but it is looking very bullish. We are seeing a lot of these cryptos having this setup and already meeting all-time high and even breaking the all-time high. We're just seeing a lot of cryptos lagging behind. 1 inch is a pretty cool cryptocurrency exchange, so I think it will be doing decentralized exchange. It will be doing well in my opinion. Thoughts on Rune? Let's take a look at Rune on the chart. This is what I got for Rune, guys. We were talking about this inverse head and shoulder. As you can see, my target here for Rune is above the $13. We didn't reach it right over there. As you can see, zoom in on the chart, check out this inverse head and shoulder with this ascending neckline, right? We have the left shoulder right over there. We have the head right over here. Then we have the right shoulder. I've connected these higher lows, as you can see. Guess what? We came all the way back down, retested here for the last few days, the neckline, guys. Absolutely insane. I think this neckline is going to hold very nicely. We will be eventually having that pump for Rune, in my opinion. I think it's more probable to come all the way up here, almost to the $14, than actually breaking the neckline here of this inverse head and shoulder, guys. That is my take here for Rune. It is looking pretty bullish. Yeah, expect Rune hitting the above the $13 in the coming days. Maybe a week or so. But yeah, the setup is looking pretty bullish. WRX, I've checked out WRX. I've checked out Luna also. Right. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down now, guys, because I'm lagging behind the comment section a lot. Please tell us some coins to invest in ranked order, like your top 5 for this year. UBT, Unibright, Enterprise cryptocurrency. This is going to be absolutely insane. I've been buying Unibright when it was 20 cents. I did hear about it on Chico Crypto's channel. This is an insane cryptocurrency. I think it's a good buy because it's going to take over the Enterprise worldwide. I remember Chico Crypto talking about this cryptocurrency when it was 2 cents. And I got in at 20 cents. I got a bag here. It must be around about 10% of my portfolio. I'm extremely bullish. I did buy a decent bag, and I've already 10x'd my, even more, 15x'd since I bought this crypto at 20 cents, which is this is one of my very good investment. Not the best one. My best one is VeChain. And I think this one could easily go to the $10. The circulating supply is the total supply. You will need these tokens to interact. It does have a utility. It is a utility token. Check out the project, guys. I'm not going to go through the project right now. Unibright UBT. I think this could go well above the $10 in the next coming months. This is my opinion eventually. There's another one called FSN. I'm extremely bullish on FSN. It is an incredible blockchain, this. I don't know why it is lagging behind so much. The performance has been really poorly for the last years. I mean, we did reach the $2.32. I do have a decent bag on this. This is one of my high risk, high returns. It's only got 36 million market capitalization. If you check out here, the Fusion protocol, I mean, it's an absolutely insane time lock feature, interoperability. It does have the DEX of change application at this moment. It is an insane crypto project, okay? You need to check out this because I think at some point this has got to do very well. You need to check out the change app, which is in the Fusion blockchain. And it's incredible. You can have great earnings, APY, you have decentralized exchange. You can exchange different cryptos from different blockchains. I don't know. I'm extremely bullish on this project, Fusion Protocol, and it's been here for quite a few years. It's just performing really bad. They're not listed in major exchanges. They're listed on Huobi and Gate.io. So yeah, I'm bullish on this one. It is a very bad performer, but they do have working products. I think at some point this one will explode. What else? UBT. What are the cryptos I'm bullish? I'm bullish on VeChain, but VeChain, I'm not sure if VeChain is going to do more than a 10x in the coming years. I do see VeChain making a 4-5x in the coming months. What else? Yeah, I mean, basically those are some cryptos that I hold. Emre, how are you doing? Hi Bernard, my nice Canadian guy. Hello Emre, how are you? Right, I'm trying to go through the comment section here. A lot of spamming going on. Hey Andy, could you please show us your usual technical analysis strategies, especially the Fibonacci indicator? Yeah, I mean, I will be getting another video. Check out my video that I posted yesterday of how I make $100 daily by trading cryptocurrency. These are not all of my strategies. Eventually I will be getting more with Fibonacci. I will be getting another video on how I make $100 volume 2, for example, with some other strategies, guys. Definitely with Fibonacci, I definitely will be getting one video out in the next coming weeks. You need to give me some time to get that video out for sure. But check out the video yesterday. I do, you know, show some trades at the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Super simple and basic for the community. Stop loss for Ethereum. I'm not sure what is Ethereum doing at this moment. It's looking pretty bullish, looking pretty good. There is a little bit of bearish divergence here on the 4-hourly chart. Just staying a little bit cautious on this. It does look like that we are forming a not a pennant. I would stay cautious on this, guys. We actually met the target already of $4,000 on Ethereum. If you're an old subscriber, guys, how long have I been talking about this huge double bottom that nobody was talking about? Everybody was talking about this double bottom right over here. Nobody was talking about this huge double bottom right over there. And I was saying, guys, as soon as we break 2,900, I see the Ethereum price in the next coming weeks reaching the $4,000. Guys, we perfectly met the $4,000. This is the measured move right over there. If you're an old subscriber, you know I'm not inventing this. This was very much real. I talked about this at the beginning of August, and we perfectly met the target. That was an insane swing trade. I didn't swing trade it because I've been doing more scalping. I haven't been swing trading too much lately. Andy, please check. Hey Bernard, how are you doing? Please check Polymath. Yeah, straight away. Let's take a look at Polymath here for Bernard straight away. It's Poly, yeah, right. Let's take a look at Poly here. Poly US dollar here on Binance for my man Bernard. Wow, this has had an insane pump. What's going on? What's happened to this cryptocurrency? Wow, absolutely insane. Wow. This is very much unexpected. A massive pump for Polymath here. Yeah, what do you want me to say about this? Absolutely insane. We're still well far away from the all-time highs. But absolutely insane. We've had a massive breakout here. This has basically done almost a 3x, yeah, over a 3x in basically 2 days. Wow, nothing much to say about this. I think I would be a little bit cautious on longing. I would wait for a little bit more consolidation, maybe a potential retracement. I think after a pump like this in a day, I would expect some kind of retracement, at least to the 50% levels, in my opinion. I'll be waiting for this price, this crypto making a consolidation. Let's wait a couple of days on this, or at least a few hours, because we might be forming like a pennant here, okay? Remember, to form this pennant, you want to zoom in on the 1 hourly potentially. I would wait a little bit more for some price action, but we are maybe gonna form a kind of a pennant here on this crypto. I would wait a little bit more because this might have a candle to the downside like this, and then you could, this could potentially be the formation for this crypto, for Polymath. Absolutely insane though, insane pump. There's some nice volume. This, after a consolidation, I do believe so, it will have another run up to retest the highs and potentially break it. So pay attention on this one. If you want to trade this, you can trade it on Binance, and with my link in the description, you're saving 10% on fees by using my link in the description. Okay guys, you want to trade Polymath, yeah, you can't trade Polymath on Phemex or Bybit, that is for sure. So yeah, but anyway, for Bybit and Phemex, guys, remember you have the best bonus available, and it's a way to support the channel. Okay, I'll be getting a small commission if you log in with my affiliate link. Right, this is what I got for Polymath, looking pretty bullish. I'll be waiting for a consolidation to get into a trade here. Stay up to date and join Andy's Telegram group. Yes, Mark, thank you for the support, guys. This is also, you need to check out the Telegram. We got an alerts channel, and we got the normal Telegram group where we interact, you know, the community. We have chats there. We talk about, you know, different charts, different cryptos. So make sure to join the Telegram group of Bitcoin Sensors. They're down below in the social media. We have the alerts channel, so you're the first one to be alerted on any type of posts, technical analysis, or my video posts. Also, I usually post the link there before I actually go live, or I actually post a video. So check out the Telegram group, join in. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Right, hey, not trying to spam or anything, but hear me out. Right, says team. Let me go through the comments. Check out KSM, says iOS Max. Let's take a look at KSM. Right, KSM, what have we got here for KSM? Let's zoom out on the 4-hourly chart. Zoom out. Yeah, KSM is looking very, very bullish. We did break out here from this resistance of this downtrend nicely. For some reason, I have this Fibonacci retracement. The reason I have it is because we had a massive pump here, and we just retested the 38% levels. Now, what is happening here? Let's go to the 1-hourly chart and zoom in. Are we forming... have we formed a kind of ascending wedge here, and we have broken out of it, guys? Yeah, I would be very, very cautious on this one. We did see some bearish divergence also here on the 1-hourly. They are playing out already. I would stay a little bit cautious on this one for the moment. This is no clear breakout from this major resistance of the $400 range. We've been bouncing the $400 as support many times in the past. As you can see, consolidation also as support there. Yeah, this is not a clear breakout. I would like to see some nice volume here breaking out from the $400 range for Kusama to be extremely bullish. Right. Andy, please take a look at Atom. Let's take a look at Atom straight away here for who is this? Atom, 1 second. For Mario Gomez. Yeah, let's take a look at Atom straight away. There was a double, the double bottom pattern here, double, triple. It's more of a double one. That met the target here very, very nicely at the tick, as you can see. Then had a massive retracement, came back down, retested the support zone, as you can see right over there. Then had a massive run up. That would have been a really nice trade. Now, yeah, basically what we want to see here for Atom is breaking this high at $26. We do have a nice candle with volume, so if we do break out here with volume, watch out for any type of consolidation, because that will be a great buying point. Okay, the $26, if we successfully break $26, hitting the $30, $31, any type of retracement here near the $26 is a good entry point, only if we do break out with nice volume. We'll be having 2 nice volume candlesticks here, and that will be a heavy support in my opinion. So that's my take here on Atom. Right. Anyone here about Uniswap possibly having SEC troubles? I have no idea about this, but this is why maybe Uniswap is having a little bit of a pullback, is it? Let's check out Uniswap. Wow, Uniswap had a massive pump and then a massive rejection here on the 4-hourly. Uniswap perfectly met the target from this descending wedge. I think I mentioned this on one of my videos last week. Check out, if I check out a cryptocurrency on my videos, I always put the cryptocurrency logo coin on the thumbnail. And I did do Sushi and Uniswap about a week ago potentially. We did talk about this descending wedge, so that was very, very much tradable, guys. I did trade this, and I actually took profits here around about the $30 already. Now let's take a look at the 1-hourly. What's going on here for Uniswap? There's a massive wick here. A little bit dodgy. Let's see if that was only on Binance. Let's take a look at Coinbase. Yeah, there's no wick on Coinbase. That was only on the Binance exchange. Maybe a little bit of too much over leverage trading going on Binance. Yeah, we haven't clear. I'm extremely bullish on Uniswap. As soon as we successfully break the $32 range right over there, as you can see, there's no clear breakout. This is going to be absolutely massive. I do believe so that Uniswap will be reaching all-time highs as soon as we break the $31, $32 successfully. This is the double bottom, you know, that we've been seeing in other cryptocurrencies, guys. It is very likely that we're retesting all-time highs as soon as we break the $31, $32 for Uniswap. We want a strong breakout hitting $34, $35 with some nice volume coming in. Then it is time to play some trades here, because it will be flying in a matter of days. We've seen it before. We've seen it in other cryptos. Very similar scenario structure. As soon as we break this range, cryptos start flying. Well, bro, why don't you want to look at Ethereum? Yeah, let's take a look at Ethereum. Nothing much to say with Ethereum. Nothing much to say for Ethereum. We did have a kind of ascending triangle. We did have a fake out to the downside. There was no volume at all, as you can see. Now, we should be retesting here this high. No, I tell you what, a good zone here for Ethereum. Let me just get this out of the way. Is going to be this range over here. Ethereum should be bouncing in between 3,700 and 3,800. Okay, we have a massive, huge candle with volume. This broke out with some okay volume, so that's good. This is just basic technical analysis, break, resistance, and support. If we do come down here with this amount of volume, it is very, very likely that at some point we're going to have that leg up again to meet the $4,000 range for Ethereum. Now, is Ethereum forming? Let's go to the 30-minute. Is it forming a kind of a pennant here or something? Maybe it's forming a kind of a pennant. Yeah, but I wouldn't rely too much on this. I think a potential correction is very likely to meet the 3,800 here for Ethereum. EOS, please. Let's take a look at EOS. I've taken a look at VeChain already. Right, let's take a look at EOS here for one of the guys in the community. Right, EOS just about to break a major resistance zone. Let me just get this box a little bit higher, then we can count the wicks. Then we can count this price action. As soon as EOS breaks the $6 area, I think a major leg up is also very, very likely. We do see this round formation over here. It is a critical level. We have tested it there twice. We do have some retests as support, also here as resistance there. A lot of volatility. I think it's a major zone to watch out here, the $6. As soon as $6 is broken, we might see a lot of volatility to the upside here on EOS. I've never liked charting EOS. It's horrible. The volatility, it doesn't respect any of most of my technical analysis. It is one of those cryptos where I do analysis, and if it doesn't respect some zones, I just don't watch it anymore. Your top 5 coins for hodling end of year. Right, Chainlink, Ethereum, Unibright, VeChain, and what else? What other crypto? One of a little bit more high risk one. What other crypto? Yeah, basically Chainlink, Unibright, Ethereum, VeChain, and I'm going to go with Fusion Protocol, FSN. I'm going to go with this one, guys. Fusion Protocol, if you check out their chart, guys, you need to check out the project because it is a working blockchain. It does have change and it has its own decentralized exchange. It's been a super bad performer, but I think it's just a sleeping giant. Fusion. If you check out the chart here for Fusion Protocol, I mean, this is not financial advice. If you check out this chart, it's an absolutely really bad performer. But these are the kind of cryptos. It's insane. If you check out the website here for Fusion Protocol, guess who the CEO is of Fusion Protocol? The CEO of Fusion, it was a developer at Quantum blockchain and the VeChain blockchain. Okay. So yeah, it's an absolutely insane blockchain project. It does have some time lock feature. A lot of blockchains don't have what Fusion has got. I don't know why it's lagging so much. This is a sleeping giant in my opinion. These are the type of cryptos, blockchain projects. It's got 36 million in market capitalization. I am putting some capital to risk. This is my moonshot cryptocurrency. I do believe so. A 50x is very possible for this cryptocurrency, and these are the kind of crypto that suddenly go super mad. I think this is my take. It's got Change also. Change is the application that runs on the Fusion protocol. So yeah, guys, I'm not going to go through the project. Check it out yourself. It does have an incredible team. So yeah. Right. Yeah, let's take a look at some other cryptos. I'm going to be leaving pretty soon, guys. XRP. Let's take a look at XRP and FSN. Right, XRP. What's going on with XRP? XRP broke from this kind of descending triangle. Triangle, more of than a wedge. Finally broke to the upside. Yeah, I think XRP is boiling up here for a leg up to the $1.50. There is a descending triangle. It's not a descending wedge right over here, as you can see on the chart. So we've got bounces up and down. Finally broke resistance, just about touching here this lower high. I do believe so. A major leg up here for XRP is very possible. We might be coming back down, retesting the $1.20 maybe. But I think XRP is just ready for that next leg up, in my opinion. FTM, Phantom. Guys, Phantom, I remember looking at Phantom when it was valued at 2 cents. It was one of those cryptos that I had, some capital to put into Phantom or FSN. I chose FSN. They're very similar projects. And yeah, Phantom has well overperformed Fusion Protocol. But anyway, I've made insane gains with other cryptos. You can't get them all, can you? So yeah, this is looking extremely bullish. We did talk about this the other day. I was saying, guys, we are retesting the high here for the 3rd time. It is very, very likely we'll be breaking it at some point. We absolutely smashed it, went all the way up here almost to $1.20. If we have a retracement here, I think there's going to be a major buy zone. The 90-cent level, 85, 90-cent level is going to be a major buy zone. It is the last all-time high, guys. So this is entering price discovery. Expect some massive volatility. Remember what happened to Solana once we broke all-time highs, guys. We came back up, retested it quick, and then we absolutely had a moon mission on Solana. So maybe the Phantom will be hitting $1.50 in a matter of a couple of weeks, or $2. I think if Phantom comes and retests the all-time high here of 85 cents, it is going to be such a great buy zone. We are entering price discovery. Any retracement here for Phantom is a buy zone, in my opinion. This is what usually happens once you break all-time highs. Now, this high hasn't got too much volume. This is the only thing I'm a little bit cautious on Phantom. The volume is not extremely high, but it's worth the risk. If we do come all the way down here, I think it's worth the risk for a long position. So yeah, Phantom can be traded on Binance, guys. You know the deal. Binance, you get 10% of discount by using my link in the description. Guys, I am losing my voice a little bit. Bernard says XTZ has just got a big boost from ISO protocol compliance lead in Europe. Let's take a look at Tezos, because I haven't checked out Tezos for a long time. Right, Tezos is looking okay, pretty bullish. We did break out the major resistance zone. We had a huge ascending broadening wedge that broke to the downside, as you can see here on the chart. So this ascending broadening wedge finally meeting the target all the way down here. Now we did have this huge accumulation zone, huge nice round formation, breaking the resistance of Tezos at the $4. This was only at the 24th of August. Long time since we have analyzed Tezos, but nice round bottom formation breaking out from here. So yeah, I think Tezos might be doing pretty good in the next coming weeks. Right, what's going on with BTC? It looks like we're just about to have a kind of a dump here. Not looking too good, not looking too good. Right guys, thank you for joining in. I'm gonna leave now, losing my voice a little bit here. Guys, thank you very much. Make sure to check out the Bitcoin Census website. Okay, we've got the latest news and technical analysis here, so check it out. It's totally free information. Remember to join our Telegram group, the alerts channel, and if you want to get the best bonus available now Phemex, there's only 1 day left, up to $2,500 worth of bonus by using my link in the description. Remember, this is for experienced traders, guys. Be careful with trading. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Check out my video on how to make up to $100, how I make up to $100 by day trading, okay, in cryptocurrency. Thank you guys for joining in. Sorry if I didn't look at your cryptocurrency. I've been lagging a little bit through the comment section. I will be doing another live, I think, tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll be seeing you tomorrow, okay? Thank you guys.